We landed at Saigon in a bad weather. So me and Doris set up an impossible mission for the last 2 days to accomplish a travel film within 48 hours and see what we got in the end. It was a big challenge for us. Thousands of things were happening at the same time on the streets. The city was so busy and full of vitality. To deconstruct a city like Saigon, we need to understand the culture, the combination of tradition and modern, the people, the history. It's all about city storytelling, about chasing the light. So we wait for the goodness. Isn't it what we all do?